everyone, welcome to my channel guys. And yes, I will be right now watching a Malayalam song, but it's not from a film, it's from an album. So this album is called Yuva and the song is called Nenjoro Chertu. So this is the song, and but this stars Naveen and Nazria in the music video. The main the entire album is curated by two artists, Sachin and Srijit. So, and the singer for this particular song is Alap Raju. So I have the subtitle video with me, but I need some context. Like, okay, not a movie but an album. So getting Nazria and Naveen to kind of perform the song here and make a music video out of it. Let me know what's the context. So this actually came out in 2012, and let's watch the song right away. Once again, shout out to Jitin for subtitling the video. Thank you. It already sounds so good with the guitar.
നെഞ്ചോട് ചേർത്ത് പാട്ടൊന്ന് പാടാം, പാട്ടിൻ്റെ ഈണം നീയാണ്, കാണാതെ കണ്ണിൽ അറിയാതെ നെഞ്ചിൽ വിരിയുന്ന ചിത്രം നീയാണ്. നീ വരൂ ഈ പാട്ടിൻ രാഗമായി, നീ തരൂ ഈ ചിത്രം വർണ്ണമായി. ഹൃദയം തൂകും പ്രണയം നൽകി ഞാനും നിലാസന്ധ്യേ, തിരികെ നനയും മിഴികൾ നൽകി നീയും എങ്ങമാനു. നെഞ്ചോട് ചേർത്ത് പാട്ടൊന്ന് പാടാം, പാട്ടിൻ്റെ ഈണം നീയാണ്, കാണാതെ കണ്ണിൽ അറിയാതെ നെഞ്ചിൽ വിരിയുന്ന ചിത്രം നീയാണ്.
എന്താ പതിവില്ലാതെ രാവിലെ വന്ന് പാട്ടൊക്കെ പാടുന്നേ?
നാളെ ഒരു ഡയറക്ടറായിട്ട് മീറ്റിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്. നിന്നെ ആലോചിച്ച് ഞാൻ ഈ ട്യൂണ് കമ്പോസ് ചെയ്ത്, നീ ആദ്യം കേൾക്കണം തോന്നി ഇങ്ങ് പോന്നു.
ഓക്കേ, ബാക്കി പാട്.
കാണാനായി മോഹങ്ങൾ ചിറകടിക്കുമ്പോൾ സ്നേഹത്തിൻ കാറ്റായി നീ എന്നെ തലോടി. മിഴിയിലെ മൊഴിയിലും നിൻമുഖം മാത്രമായി, കനവിലെ കണ്ണിലും നിൻ നിറം മാത്രമായല്ലേ. അകലെ 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 നെഞ്ചോട് ചേർത്ത് പാട്ടൊന്ന് പാടാം, പാട്ടിൻ്റെ ഈണം നീയാണ്.
I think I need to listen to the entire album. Guys?
ചൊല്ലാനായി കാവ്യങ്ങൾ എഴുതിയതെല്ലാം നിൻ ചുണ്ടിൽ പൂക്കുന്ന ഹിന്ദോളമായി. ആഴിയും മാറിയും നിൻ സ്വരം മാത്രമേകി, നിലവിലെ നിഴലിലും നിന്റെ നിശ്വാസം തേടുന്നു. അരികിൽ നീ എവിടെ? നെഞ്ചോട് ചേർത്ത് പാട്ടൊന്ന് പാടാം, പാട്ടിൻ്റെ ഈണം നീയാണ്, കാണാതെ കണ്ണിൽ വിരിയുന്ന ചിത്രം.
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് പാട്ട്?
It's awesome.
ഓ, അപ്പോ അത്ര ബോറാണോ? അയ്യോ, പോട്ടെ. ഞാൻ പോവാ. നിന്റെ വീട്ടിൽ പട്ടിനെ സഹിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
ബൈ.
ഓക്കെ, ബൈ.
Oh, Alfonso Puthran has directed this video. Wow. Dude, I'm dying at this song. So good. The only way way to describe this song is magical. That's the only word that comes into my mind. This song is magical. What? I loved it so much. And the singer, Alap Raju, I have to tell you guys, like I think I was transported like to heaven, to paradise. I was in paradise when I was listening to his vocals and this music by Sachin and Srijit. You know how I felt? I remember when I first discovered K.S. Harishankar. You know how his voice gave me chills? Completely, like I went head over heels for his voice. This is the same I feel right now. It's the exact same feeling. Like you can tell from my excitement, guys. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Jitin, that you took the pains to subtitle this song and send it across, because I am going to loop this song like crazy. I'm going to, loop the crap out of this song. It is so beautiful. The melody, the instrumentals, this video, the vocals. I literally got goosebumps. I was in paradise, guys. I don't know what else to say. I'm completely mesmerized right now by this song. I am in that mesmerized aura. This song has just consumed me completely. This song at this point has consumed me. So I'm not able to like articulate my thoughts properly, but I'm just saying how much I appreciate the song. And I want to thank Jitin for subtitling this video, and thank you for suggesting this song to me. I am completely mesmerized at this point. I am completely mesmerized. Like I wanted to close my eyes and listen to the song, but I want to watch the video also. But honestly, I was like, let me just close my eyes and listen to this like this. I want to block out everything and then listen to this. That's how I felt. And I was like, okay, if this song is like that, I don't know how many songs are there on this album, but if that's the level of composition and singing, then I would like to listen to all the songs from this album. Even if I don't react to it, I'll probably search. This album probably is uploaded in Spotify. I'll search for the album and I'll listen to it, because I am totally impressed. Wow. And just wow. That's all I can say right now, because I'm totally consumed by this song. Naveen and Nazriya, they look absolutely adorable together. And yeah, that's it. That was the reaction, guys. That was the reaction. Those are my thoughts. I'm going to listen to it again. Probably I'll take a little break before going into my next recording. And I'm going to, in that break, I'll just probably have a green tea and listen to the song. The beginning of the song with the guitar. Are you kidding me, guys? I am too excited. I'm too hyped up right now. So yeah. That's where I'm gonna leave this video at. That was the reaction. Those were my thoughts. I am not getting over the song ever. I'm letting you know right now. That was the reaction. And yes, I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video very soon. Bye!